It's a new year, which means right now is the perfect time to take a moment for yourself to reflect on what kind of goals you would like to work towards in the upcoming months ahead. And if you're looking for a solution to plan and track your goals right within your Notion workspace, then you should definitely take a look at the Goal Tracker Pro. The dashboard of the Goal Tracker Pro comes with a minimalist and clean design, featuring 2 dedicated database views for years and goal categories. Simply set up all the categories that you want to plan yearly goals for and then open up the year page to get started. The year page is where the actual goal planning process is happening. Start off by setting specific yearly goals and then easily break them down into quarterly, monthly, and even weekly goals if you want to. Each goal page is automatically populated with a helpful goal review template, allowing you to reflect on the purpose of each goal and to review your progress with insightful questions. All year pages come with a handy and fully automatic time progress tracker, as well as a visual goal progress overview, allowing you to easily check in on your goal progress. And setting up the goal tracker for a new year takes literally just one click, making this a practical tool that you will be able to use for years to come. Like all of my templates, the Goal Tracker Pro comes with a detailed instructions video to get you started, where I personally walk you through every part of the template. And if you need help with anything, you can simply fill out the support form, which will send your message straight to my Notion workspace. The Goal Tracker Pro works with all Notion plans, including the free plan, and comes with a simple 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it yourself 100% risk-free. If this sounds interesting to you, make sure to click the link in the description below this video, which will take you straight to the product page on my website. And if there's a current offer or discount available, you will see it right there as well. And with this, I now leave you to it and wish you an inspiring goal planning session and of course a happy new year.